Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to look at this portulacaria afra. This is actually probably about a year in this pot. This whole thing came off of one of my larger trees as a cutting. So it had this gangly shape to it. And so it's pretty much been like this since I potted it. I've pruned it maybe once or twice, but it really needs to fill in a little bit more. It's almost kind of like a clump style, but it's really not because it does have a base, just a single trunk down here. And once I repot it, I could probably bring that up. It's probably got a decent root base on it by now, but that'll be next spring or summer or something when I do that. But today what I need to do, as you can tell, it's really just kind of gangly looking, really long internodes. So I'm just going to give it kind of a semi-hard prune back, just to maybe we can get some back budding and some more dense growth. Yeah, because it's just kind of, I like the trunk structure in here, but it's just too, like I said, it's too gangly looking, and just, I don't know, it just needs a little work. But so we'll just kind of start in here. It may look a little severe after I'm done, but sometimes it's a hard cut back is kind of what's needed to spur it on and get some more dense growth on it, because it's not going to correct itself without a cutback. So see, like this up here, this has been cut back, but just didn't go far enough, and it kind of branched out. There's several new branches there, but I just need to, I want it to be a little shorter and squattier in the final design, I'm thinking. But yeah, this is too tall, so we'll just go ahead and take that back and let that bud back out a little bit. This is a little bit, got this branch here, and this one's kind of crossing back over. Could put wire on it to fix that. I've got this one that's kind of vertical. I think I'll go ahead and take this. I think I'll take that off there. And I'll probably put some wire on this just to bring this out and back a little bit, maybe. That almost needs to bud back some more, so I think I'll just take it back to there. Probably still will put some wire on it, just to flatten it out some. Go ahead and do that just to should be enough. Let's see. I'll just anchor it on this branch here and then on out. Okay, so now we'll just bend this out without snapping the branch off, hopefully. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yep. Okay. still just way too long up here. Probably should have done this a lot sooner, but wasn't really sure if I was going to keep it or not. But I do kind of like the rugged trunks in it. It definitely has to develop a lot more, but we'll get there. Some wire back here, see if we can prop this up a little bit. There we go. Like I said, it's really got to fill in a lot more. Just got way too long. I should have done this hard prune back as soon as it rooted in and started growing well. I've been a lot farther ahead, but we'll eventually get there. Some of this wire off. By no means is this a finished tree at all. It's just all over the place here with this crossing branch. Here it kind of comes back on itself, but I don't know that I could get it bent up there, maybe, to be part of the canopy. Yeah. So see what this is doing. It's kind of laying back on itself over here. But I'm thinking if I get some wire on there, I could get it bent up in there and kind of be part of the canopy instead of chopping it off. So I think we'll try that. Probably still need to bring it down some, but so let's see. Come up this way. Anchor it on this other branch. Go underneath here. All right, let's see if we can get this bent up here enough. I think we're going to. Towards the front. And then go ahead and Drop it back some, let it kind of regrow. Yeah, that looks better than laying on top of that other one. Not perfect, but just a little better. The bones are there, but it needs a lot more growth to fill in. That's what's fun to have, you know, having different trees in different stages of development, because you don't get frustrated, because this one's, by, like I said, it's not even close to being finished, but do a little quick maintenance prune like this, knock it back a little bit, and just leave it alone, work on your other trees, and then revisit it in the future and keep it going. I think that'll just about do it on this one for now anyway. Still undecided on this branch. I probably should just go ahead and take that off since it's kind of vertical. Yep. Just giving that a little twist because that other branch looked like it was growing down, so I just kind of rotated the branch with the wire on it to bring it up a little more parallel. And I can take off some of these bottom leaves just to okay. I think that'll just about do it. Let me give you a quick spin around. There's the front, there's the left side, there's the back, right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.